When we were chanting the tones here in the beginning, I was noticing that many times the energies would go into the trees around. Especially will it go into the highest trees around. And it would look almost like fireflies darting off towards trees. And so I was looking in the trees, and there were some of the Devic forms almost like bathing in the tones as the energy was coming to them, adding the lyrical consciousness of their own melodies. When we are doing the Saut-e-Sarmad, or chanting the holy melodies, then we are indeed tuning in with all of consciousness, all of consciousness. And we become then one with all life. And we only feel separated when we do a trip of the mind, where we say in our mind, you're there, I'm here, we're different, and not only that, I'm better than you. If we can get the basic self to come on in and go along with us, then we can fulfill biblical scripture of keeping your eye single, so that all of your levels of consciousness are directed into the celestial melodies. Part of the divine melodies is inspiration and intuition. It's part of the great, great, great depth of feeling that goes on in all of us. Only those who are indeed partaking of the celestial melodies can indeed sing the song of the soul. And so our presence, those who are indeed in the movement of spiritual inner awareness, who are in it, who are actively participating and drinking and listening to these nectars and divine melodies of God, of the cosmic, then must walk in this all the time, blessing all things. And even when you're disturbed, bless yourself in your disturbance. God, bless this disturbance I feel in the pit of my stomach. If you say, God, damn this disturbance, you've damned yourself to more disturbance. Bless this disturbance, for it's being brought to me for an awakening in some level within my total beingness. Berush Beshan.